Welcome back to Get the Facts. I am now joined by Public Relations Officer at the Post and Telecommunications Department, Tanickea Bennett. You do remember we're talking about the Jamaica Post, right? So, Ms. Bennett, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Wonderful. Let's jump right into it. Let's talk about some of those premium services Lady Brown mentioned. Now, I have here on my list Click and Ship, Express, Zipmail, Fast Track, Premium Service Centers, the Fulfillment Centers. And one of the questions that pops into my mind immediately is, what's the difference between Click and Ship Express, which sounds fast, Zipmail, and Fast Track?
All right, thank you so much for that question. Now, of course, Jamaica Post, as we continue to transform, we see wherein customers have various needs,
Right.
and we are more than just mail. So with that being said, we have introduced various premium services such as Click and Ship Express.
Right.
Now, what Click and Ship Express is, it's essentially a service that caters to shoppers, online shoppers,
Yeah.
who need a freight forwarder to bring their products into Jamaica. So let's say, for argument's sake, you like to shop on Amazon or another, online platform.
It can be anyone.
Anyone.
Okay.
When you're, through selecting your items, checking out, you put in your Miami mailbox address that you'll be provided,
Right.
and then that item will be sent to our warehouse in Miami, and then it will be sent to Jamaica, wherein Click and Ship Express will process it and have it sent to any one of over 29 locations island-wide,
Where I can then go and pick up.
where you can go and pick it up. So we take care of, all the processing, all the customs clearance. Hassle-free is what we say.
Yeah.
Click and ship, like it, click it, ship it, So that is what we offer with that service.
Right. So, Zipmail.
All right. So Zipmail is a local courier service. So let's say, for example, you have your acquaintance, your family, friends, another part of the island, another part of Kingston, that you have some items that you need to get to them.
Right.
You're a busy man. You can't, run around in traffic and all of that.
Yeah, and
So
toll and,
yeah, exactly. So Zipmail is the preferred solution that you'd use to get your packages delivered.
All right.
And that ships the next business day at some of the most competitive rates, starting as low as $400, like pretty much unbeatable, I'd
They
say.
ship from where to where?
Anywhere across the island.
What?
So we definitely encourage persons to try this service. It's offered at pretty much all major locations island-wide, and you get your notification alerts when your items have arrived.
By email?
Yes, you get email notifications, SMS notifications. You can track your items online, or you can contact us at our customer service center.
All right. So I'm gonna go out here and say that I can get more information about this on the website.
Absolutely.
Because there are a couple more services here, and I think we'd be here all day. These all sound so good.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people are hearing about these services and thinking, there you go. All right. So tell me something about this cashless location that I've heard about. What's that about?
All right, so Jamaica Post has launched our first cashless postal location, which is Jamaica Post Shop.
Right.
And this is located at Fontana Waterloo, right inside of the pharmacy.
That's where the Canadian embassy.
Yes,
okay, I know the one.
right there. So it's centrally located, convenient for persons who are in that vicinity. You can go there. It's safe, it's convenient, and it's basically modern, right? So that is the feel that we're going for, to provide our customers with a modern and convenient experience, and of course a safe one. It's a boutique location, therefore you can get all our premium services: Zipmail,
Right.
Fast Track, EMS, Click and Ship. You can, do your philately transactions there, and it's cashless, so you don't have to worry about walking around with, a lot of money on hand. Just carry your card, swipe it, and, carry on.
Decent.
Yes.
All right, so I want you to, our audience is listening, and I think perhaps, certainly for me, we're hearing some of these things for the first time.
Right.
I want you to, just give us a final word about the Post, about where we're going, about the resiliency, the reliability. Just talk to our audience. Give us a final word on the Post.
Well, Jamaica Post is an iconic brand. It's a Jamaican institution, and we encourage our customers to stay with us. encourage our stakeholders to continue on this journey with us. We have been around for 350 years. We have experience, we are resilient, and we are in transformation mode. Therefore, all of what we've delivered in the past, we will continue to do it times 350 or more, right? And to learn more about these products and services, what we are up to, what's coming next, we encourage you to connect with us.
Right.
Visit our website, jamaicapost.gov.jm. You can also follow us on social media, email us at info@jamaicapost.gov.jm, and look out, guys, we have lots more coming.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us for this conversation and just opening the post to Jamaica.
Thank you for having me.
This has been Get the Facts. Today we were happy to pass on some information on the development of the postal system over the last 350 years and, well, where it's going next. We hope you found it useful and interesting. We want to thank our guests. That was Deputy Postmaster General for the Business and the Regional Operations, Sophia Hamilton Brown, and Public Relations Officer Tanickea Bennett. And thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Theodore Henry. Take good care.